See, assertion reason-based problems pose problems not only to the students but also to the teachers. So the proper analysis of these type of questions is important for proper understanding. In question number 4, assertion is, as temperature of the conducting wire increases, drift velocity of the electron also increases. Let's explore. Assertion. You see, drift velocity is given by the expression E by n is to tau. As temperature increases, amplitude of vibration of the ions within the conductor increases. Due to this, there will be less space for the electrons to move. Now, as there is less space for the electrons to move, and hence they collide more frequently with the ions. In the process, the time duration, the mean relaxation time between two collisions for the electron becomes smaller. Now, as this becomes smaller, and hence tau becomes smaller, and hence the drift velocity should also become small. And that is why the assertion statement is incorrect. Now let's see the reason statement. The reason statement is, with the increase in temperature, the average time of collision increases, and this has already been described while explaining the assertion, that the average time of collision actually decreases. Why this decreases? I am just repeating it, because with the increase in temperature, ions within the conductor, they vibrate with a larger magnitude, and electrons, they get less space to move. They collide more frequently with the ions. Frequency of collision increases, and hence the average time of collision decreases. This statement is also false, because assertion is false, reason is also false, and hence option D is correct. Further, if you want to use this formula, I is equals to NEAVD, to decide what happens to drift velocity as temperature increases. You see, as temperature increases, the resistance of the wire will increase. Now, as the resistance of the wire increases, so the current flowing through the conductor will decrease. Now, as the current flowing through the conductor decreases, and hence the drift velocity will also decrease. These factors, these three factors being constant.